America needs to blow out a lot of candles.
I know. I bet the cake is as big as the
Happy 4th of July.
You know, it's somebody else's birthday today, too.
Whoa.
Whoa, that one's big. And
You mean like the Logan from Mrs. D'Angelo?
yeah. It's his birthday.
Yesterday was Babe's birthday. Okay, they are.
I'm gonna just ask my dad if we can do water.
Dad, can we do our fireworks now?
This is over, Jake.
It's not gonna be over till a while.
Yeah. Well, last year it was like over in like 1 hour.
It's been an hour now. It's 10 o'clock.
Oh no.
Really?